In the following practice, we will be learning a chakra balancing kriya. And in this kriya, we will be learning the different mudras or hand positions that correspond with the chakras, as well as the seed sound that corresponds with it. So together we will sing and do the mudras of each chakra and allow it to move and resonate through our bodies. In the following video, Tommy McClure is going to lead us through this practice, and there's 4 of us seated in a semicircle, and we're inviting you to join our circle to sing the sounds of the chakras with us. You're welcome to sit at the end of the 3, we're going to repeat it 3 times. You're welcome to sit at the end and just let the sounds of the chakras integrate into your system for balance and harmony.
Okay, so this is the chakra balancing kriya, in which we use Sanskrit bija seed sounds and mudras and take our awareness through our chakra system. It begins with Jnana mudra, on our knees with our awareness at our Muladhara chakra, root chakra. Then Yoni mudra with our fingers interlaced and our pointy fingers and our thumbs in kind of a diamond. Awareness at our Swadhisthana chakra. Linga mudra, where we interlock our fingers and make a circle around our right thumb at the 3rd chakra, the Manipura. Lotus mudra at the heart, Anahata chakra. Adho Mukha at the Vishuddha chakra, the throat chakra. And then Namaskar mudra at Agya, or the 3rd eye. And then we interlock our fingers over our crown chakra, the Sesra, and bring them down. Now the mantra is Lam, Wam, Ram, Yam, Ham, Om, Aum. So, shall we begin?